Hey guys, let's talk about boundaries today. No, I'm not talking about creating some impenetrable wall that no one can break through. It's okay to express your feelings, it's okay to be there for others. But I would like to talk about the power of saying no and doing it guilt free. Yes, I mean that two-letter, very difficult word for some of us. First of all, if you don't want to do it, then don't do it. Be okay with letting people know that, hey, I this is something I'm not comfortable with, or this is something I just don't feel like doing. And do not allow people to monopolize your time. It's your time, it's your body, it's your life. Just say no. I am the queen now, at least well, maybe a princess. I'm the princess or queen of transparency. And um, even with that, I still believe that you should say no if people are asking you questions or wanting you to reveal things about yourself that you don't feel comfortable with. Boundaries. Yes, I can't think of anything that I have that I'm aware of that I care to not disclose to people. Whatever. Ask me anything. Pretty much, I'm an open book. However, if there is something that I don't want to talk about or that I don't feel is anyone's business, anyone's business, then you know what? We need to set that boundary. No, no, that's not for you. So, today's lesson is not just about saying no and setting boundaries, but it's also about recognizing self, self evaluation, and what is comfortable to you. Is it okay for me to do things that I'm uncomfortable with? Is it okay for me to participate in things that I just don't want to? Is it okay for people to just be in my face closer than I want them to be? Set boundaries and be okay with it. I guarantee you that when you begin to set those boundaries, you are going to see that you are going to be a little less stressed, and you're also going to feel a little more liberated. Be you.